What's up guys, welcome to your 7th PHP tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to be teaching you guys how to use loops. Now what a loop allows you to do is repeat an action many times depending on what your condition is. And it performs this action while it's true, and once it becomes false it breaks it or stops doing it. So let me just show you guys what I'm talking about. I'm going to go ahead and create a variable called num, which stands for number, and I'm going to set it equal to 1. Now to do the most basic loop is called a while loop, and to do this you just simply type in while and then you enter a condition. So I'm going to say while the variable num is less than or equal to, we'll go 5. So while the variable, which is 1, is less than or equal to 5, we want you to, and this is going to have a bunch of lines, so just put your curly braces in now. So while that, we want you to echo the number, so it's going to spit out the number 1 right now, and then we're just going to enter a break tag. And if you don't know any HTML or XHTML, this right here just means go to the next line, so we don't have it all bunched together. And then after that we want you to take the variable num, which we called it, and increase it by 1 every time. So here's what this all means. While the number is less than or equal to 5, we want you to echo the number, which means just print it out on the screen, and then this means add a break. Wow, I said that a bunch of times. Add a break. We want you to add a break, which means go to the next line, and we want you to increase the number by 1 and do this whole thing again while it's less than or equal to 5. So let's save this and see what it looks like. As you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that's the while loop. So what this does is first it gives the number 1 and spits it out since it's less than or equal to 5, and then it adds another one to it. Now it's 2. Now it spits it out since it's less than or equal to 5, and then it adds another one, 3, and once it gets to 5, as you can see in our condition right here, the action stops, which it did right here. So now that you know how to do a basic while loop, in the next tutorial I'm going to be going over some other more useful loops. Thanks.